Hello children, let's start second segment of this chapter, money and credit. In earlier segment, we discussed about the money and activities of bank, currency, and other things related to banks. Next, here we come to the two different credit situations. When we need money, we take loan from the bank, or we took loan from the money lenders, our friends, relatives, or employers. They are the source of the credit, who gave us credit. There are two types of uh, credits given and taken. It is called formal sectors and informal sectors. Before coming to the formal and informal sector, we require to know the situations, two different credit situations. What is the credit? Credit is activity in which a person take loans. That is the credit. Here two situations of credit is given. First, for example, we can take the story of Shalim. Shalim is a shoemaker who makes shoes, and the season is festival season. You can see it might be Eid, Diwali, or Holi, or you can see the bedding season also. Currently, bedding season is going on. After Corona, so many beddings just postponed. Now they are getting arranged for the bedding. So it is a festival season. Any season you can say bedding season. So bedding season also. People takes loan, and this Salim, who is shoemaker, he got order of 3,000 shoes for a certain company. A company is very big. So Salim, how he arranged this amount to make 3,000 of shoes? First, he took some money from this big company who has given order to make the shoes, and other he went to a money lender, and in third phase he goes to the person who sell leathers. The shoe, for making shoe, leather is required as a raw material. So he managed 3 or 4 steps of this credit, and he delivered order in time. After delivery, he got the money from this company, and he paid all the money in easy way. After paying all the debt, Salim got profit, and this profit makes Salim happy. His family member, they just acquire all the things they need, and this credit situation is good for the Salim. But let us see another story. Sapna's problem. Sapna owns 3 acres of land in a village, and she gets money from a money lender at high interest rate. Crop fails once, and again for investment input to give input in the agriculture work, Sapna again took loan at high interest rate for fertilizer, for seed, for irrigation, and tilling, all the things. But this time the crop was very normal. So Sapna was not able to repay her loan in time to the money lender. The interest went high and high, and one day came the situation when Sapna was forced to sell one part of her land to repay her loan. In this way, there are two situations of this credit or loan. For Salim, it was good, and it resulted in the prosperity and happiness in his family. On the other hand, Sarna, the poor woman, she got trapped into debt trap, and it was very painful to repayment her credit. Here are two stories. And other things, the terms of credit. What is the terms of the credit? Means bank, farmer sector, when it give loan for the persons, the bank take something as a guarantee. As a guarantee, it can be land, sometime vehicle, sometime money in bank, sometime building as a collateral. These things are jointly called collateral. When person is failed to repay his loan in time, bank or cooperative, they have right to make payment from the borrower's collateral. So collateral is a asset which is in the form of land, vehicle, money deposited in the bank, or buildings, and etc. Farmer sector of this credit is included in bank and cooperative. These farmer sector of this credit, they give borrowers money in at low interest rate, and RBI has authority to monitor all the things, interest rate, other things. So the interest rate is very low, and the borrower is get benefited from this. Other things is informal sector of the credit. In informal sectors, there are so many persons, just like your friends, money lender, relatives, employers. They give loan to the borrower. They charge high interest rate, and sometimes it is very it become very difficult to repay the loan. One question arises here: why farmer sector loan is not just taken by the farmer or the poor person? Because there are so many formalities, documents, collateral, and other things. So they are discouraged to take the loan in farmer sector. We can see that the poor persons, 90% poor persons, they get loan from the informal sector, and they easily get trapped in the debt trap. On the other hand, we can see that only 10% person who belong to the rich family or prosperous person or well-to-do person, they prefer only 10% to take the loan or credit from the informal sector, because they have easy access to bank, and they are aware of the things, and they are educated and skilled, so they do not take loan from the informal sector. On the other hand, the poor who are helpless, and the poor for whose the filling up or fulfilling all the formalities is very difficult task, so they are taking loan from the informal sectors. Here at last we can see here the self-help group for the poor. ESG, it is called ESG, ESHG, self-help group. This facility is given for the poor, especially in the rural areas, women who form one group, and in one group there might be 10, 15 or 20 women, and they fix a certain amount of money to give, and they collect. After 2 years or 3 years, any one person can withdraw this money, and she can purchase, and she can resolve her problems, means can buy cattle, can purchase the sewing machine, or she can get married her daughter. So this self-help group is very beneficial. And other things, when this self-help groups complete more than 1 year, it is authorized to take loan from the banks also, and it is the permission of the government that bank does not demand collateral for this self-help group. So at current time, it is modern times, this is the very good form of credit, and it has helped a lot for the poor women, especially living in the village. In this way, we completed this chapter, the money and the credit. Next, we will meet soon. Thanks.